Yeah, guys, my husband overcooked the rice for Cinco de Mayo, so I'm making rice patties. My husband overcooked the rice, so I'm making rice patties. Stay tuned to see what I do with them. I have some olive oil in the skillet, and I formed the rice into a patty, and I'm going to let it stay in the skillet until it forms a crust on the bottom, and then I'm going to flip it over. Stay tuned. This is what it looks like after I flip it over. Nice and golden brown. Don't that look deliciousness, guys? Stay tuned. Here is the second one in the skillet. I'm letting it stay in long enough for it to form a complete crust on the bottom part, and then it'll be ready to flip over. My family loves it when I reinvent food. So this is what the fried rice looks like. I flipped the second patty on the other side, nice and golden brown. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm making the banquet brown and serve turkey sausage links. They're in a skillet. I'm going to let them, they're already cooked, but I like to brown mine a little bit. And my family likes it too. Stay tuned. I am now going to scramble a couple of Eggland's Best eggs. These are the only eggs that I buy because they have the fortified vitamins added to it. Vitamins D, E, B2, B12, B5, plus 25% less saturated fat, and 125 milligrams of omega-3. So this is what I buy. I used to buy the other eggs, the regular eggs. These are in the large. But now that I've seen these at the store, this is what I buy. All right, guys, stay tuned. So here it is, guys. This is the breakfast I made. The refried rice. It was Spanish rice my husband made with a mixture of jasmine rice, and like I said, he overcooked it. So instead of throwing it away or letting it ruin the meal, I decided to refry it. So I'm having it for breakfast. I have the 2 turkey sausages and some scrambled eggs. So guys, if you ever make a mistake and overcook the rice, you don't have to throw it away. Don't throw it away. All you have to do is to put it in a hot skillet and form it into a patty. If it's regular white rice, before you do that, oh, sorry guys, you can add some chopped onions. You can add some chopped chives, some garlic, diced tomatoes, mix it in with the rice, and put it into a skillet with a little seasoning, and you get a chance to save the meal. And not only are you saving the meal, you're also recreating a brand new meal. And you know, guys, this is the seasoning that I love to use. It's Trade East brand garlic romano seasoning, and I love this seasoning. So this is the seasoning I added to the eggs, and here we are again. One last look. It is a plate of deliciousness now. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. I thought I'd give you one of my tips. Like I said, my family loves when I recreate a meal. And this is what I recreated. with the rice my husband overcooked. Okay, guys, happy eating.